If you've ever told yourself, I'm just not good at sales, I want to challenge that belief because I don't think that confidence is something you're born with. Confidence is not going to come because you read another book. It's not going to come because you watch a few YouTube videos. Confidence comes from doing. The problem is that most of us never get to that point because we think that sales is something that it's not. We picture sales as pitching all the time, convincing someone to do something, or being the most charismatic person in the room. That is absolutely not the type of sales that I want to talk about today. I want you to rethink how you view sales, and I want to share some practical strategies that you can implement right now so that you can increase your confidence in sales. One of the biggest mindset shifts that I ever had about sales was realizing that it was not about convincing people to do something. Sales is really about problem solving. Let's say you run a marketing agency, which I've done in the past. People don't come to you because they just love marketing. Okay, what if you're a CPA? People don't come to you because, oh, I love accounting, right? That's not why they're coming to you. So, whether you're a coach, a therapist, whatever service you offer, people are coming to you because they have a problem. That's it. And so, your job is not to convince them that they have a problem, it's to understand their problem well enough to know, can you actually solve it? So, think about sales like matchmaking, right? You've got someone over here with a problem, and then you have you, right? And so, is what you offer, the services that you offer, going to be a match for that person's problem? That's it. It's matchmaking. Once I figured that out, things started to become a little bit more natural because I wasn't trying to convince them, I wasn't trying to pitch. I was just trying to understand them and see if I could help. And that was it. Once I stopped thinking about sales as a way to convince someone to do something, then I realized that sales confidence would just happen over time. The more conversations I had, conversations where I was just trying to help people. That made me stop waiting to feel confident and to start actually just having the conversations and seeing my confidence grow over time. That is a mindset shift that I hope you will be able to have after watching this video. If we haven't met before, my name is Amy, and I help introverted entrepreneurs get more comfortable with sales so they can generate revenue for their business. If you're ready to build up your sales confidence, I have a link in the description to my sales confidence assessment and a lot of other free resources that you can use to help build up your confidence. I hope you find those helpful.